my dismay to the humiliating body search that I was subjected to twice, and all members of the legal profession were subjected to. First at the gate, then as we entered the courtroom, another body search. And I'm asking the officers, between the gate and here, and most people have left their briefcases at the gate. What would make them subject us to a second body search? Secondly, I have not yet had audience, the right of audience in court, because I'm not yet licensed to practice in Uganda. I'm expecting a special license to be issued by the Law Council. As it has been indicated, I applied last week. I was informed that they do not process digital applications, so my physical application was brought on Wednesday, and it was taken by the law firm of Lukwago and Company, and it has not yet been processed, but I have been promised by the chair of the Law Council, Justice Muliangoja, that we may hear from them as early as tomorrow. We have been able to have audience with our client in the court, within the court precincts, and our client was very firm that we ought to apply for adjournment. I should say our clients, not client, so that we can get the answer from the Law Council. You can see for yourself the harassment we have to endure, that they cannot wait even for a minute for this conversation to happen. I want to agree with my colleague, the Lord Mayor, that the abduction of Mr. Besigye and Mr. Lutale from Kenya breaches the Constitution of Kenya, the Constitution of Uganda, and the East African Treaty. I have looked at the charge sheet. The offenses are alleged to have been committed in Kenya, Greece, and Switzerland. Unless if Uganda has annexed Kenya, and we do not know, Ugandan authorities have no jurisdiction whatsoever on anything committed on Kenyan soil. That is, if at all any offense was committed. So we will be raising many objections. I am coordinating Pan-African lawyers from Nigeria, from Kenya, from Ghana, from various jurisdictions, including Tanzania, who will also be applying to practice. As Pan-African lawyers and politicians, we are taking this matter very seriously. We are going to stand in solidarity, and we will file other cases in the East African Community Court, EACJ, against Kenya and Uganda for their illegal conduct. We will be exploring all legal options, and I'm very hopeful that tomorrow I'll be granted a license to practice in Uganda, and that the Law Council will be ready to process other multiple applications. Yeah.
Indeed, there are going to be multiple applications. They should get prepared. Uganda from Martha.